Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video we'll check if this game supports FSR. To check if this game supports FSR, firstly go to Settings and Game Settings. To use FSR, make sure you've got AMD Radeon graphics cards. Next go to Graphics, and unfortunately here we don't have FSR, and same on Display. This game does not support natively DLSS or FSR, but it has inbuilt dynamic resolution scaling. Enable it to use it, and then you can set dynamic resolution FPS target and adjust render scale. Below 100 can improve performance but may decrease image quality, and above 100 can increase image quality but may negatively impact performance. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.